Hey, Heybike. Hello, welcome to one of my reviews where I don't really know what I'm talking about. Probably would have made more sense to show the front of the box. You like the box? No. I don't know if I can get this out of the box. It's like super heavy. Oh boy, looks like there's work to be done. Oh yeah.
So here is everything that was in the box.
Oh boy, that's a lot of tools. I've owned a lot of bikes. I've never had to assemble one. They always came assembled. So I'm sure this will go smoothly. You gonna do this for me? Located the stem and bowl cover. No, I haven't. Oh wait, no, the previous page also has the step 1. If you do not feel comfortable assembling the bike yourself, we recommend taking your new bike to a bike shop. I don't feel comfortable, but I'm gonna try it anyways.
But luckily, there's a video on their website.
It's crazy heavy. Guess who put the wheel on the wrong way? Uh-huh. Yeah. Slick. Oops. All right.
Now it's on the right way.
Yeah, well, I didn't realize that the wheel was on the wrong way until most of it was already assembled. So for this next part, just pretend. Just pretend that the wheel is on the right way. I'm no expert, but that little spring that I just attached, in the video that they have, she's facing it the wrong way. In the video, they're showing this coming in from the back, but there's no way to attach it. Okay. Yeah, I really struggled with that fender. I put it in from the back, I put it in from the front, and I still messed everything up according to Heybike. So they sent me the instructions, and I don't know. I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe the way I attached things wasn't in the correct order. I'm not really sure. I actually feel a little less comfortable now, because I'm wondering what else is different. According to Heybike, who has seen this video that you guys are watching, any errors that I saw in their official installation video are not errors. There's apparently different versions of the Cityscape, and I have the newer one, so that must be the older one. But if that's the case, update the official video. They said they updated the manual, but I need video. Like this, maybe? I'm sure I'm gonna have to fix the height on this later, but for now it is what it is. Next, I'm gonna try to put the handlebars on here. Pretty sure in the video, the girl installs this way, but it goes this way. An instructional assembly video should be done by the manufacturer, not by a YouTuber. Like, some of us are kinda dumb, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna put on the handlebars, and hopefully I got them facing the right way. I don't think it's quite right yet. Maybe more like this? I don't know if this is garbage or if it's supposed to go here. It looks like it goes here, but it's really loose, so I don't know. Next seat. I don't even know what height I need yet. Probably higher than that. Alright, she's almost done. Next up, the pedals. They are labeled left and right. And on here it says, screw it in counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. So it looks like the last thing I gotta do is charge up this battery. But if I need to remove the battery, that's what these keys are for. So I push it and then go counterclockwise to unlock it. The seat, it goes up somehow. There we go. And then I can just pull the thing out. With this thing, I can adjust the suspension. It says if I go counterclockwise, it'll be a softer ride. So then I turn this little knobby doodad. I'm gonna turn it all the way. Again, I relied too much on the video and I didn't put the little, I guess it's not really necessary, but there's a cover that goes right here. The light went from red to green. I don't know how many hours it took, but it's dark. To be continued. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna turn this on. I messed around. Well, I had a bike expert mess around with it a little bit, and he got the seat more level. And now this thing on the left handlebar. Let's see if I can figure this out. On, got it. Battery life indicator, awesome. And then there's a little symbol here, plus, minus. Ooh, okay. So I'm guessing that's for the pedal assist. That's up. This must be down. Sure is. There's also another symbol on here, light. This thing has headlights. So if I hold it down, the headlight turns on. And the same button that controls the headlight controls the taillight, which is also a brake light. Oh no, that button does not control the headlight. It just controls the taillight. So the button on here just controls the taillight, not the headlight. The headlight is only this button. I'm learning. Off, on, off, on. So I'm gonna click it. Oh, wrong one. That's so loud. There we go. That's the only one for the headlight. But the one for the headlight also turns the taillight on and off. Okay. This is going really well. If I push down and hold it, the bike just went. Oh my gosh. Oops. It turns out that I just turned on walking mode while dismounted. Press and continue to hold that button. I just pressed, and it'll help you walk the bike. So the handlebars kind of look like leather, but I think it's fake leather. It feels like fake leather. That must be the throttle. And then here I change gears. And this button brings it back. I guess it's time to ride it. It's not going to be an easy video to film. Maybe I should get some help. I should clone myself. I'm not used to bikes with kickstands. Okay, I feel like the seat's too low. I should probably put it higher, but then I might fall over. Here we go. Okay. I really need the proper GoPro mount because I'm probably gonna kill myself if I try to do this one-handed. I'm gonna put the pedal assist on now. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I almost fell over. Yeah, you can really feel that. Holy crap, that's so much faster. That is much different than a regular bike. Speed 2, 3. This is just the throttle. Just the throttle. That's wild. So if I just have it from standstill, and then I try to pedal, it goes whoosh. Oh. That's not whoosh. Look at this. Whoa. I should do a proper bike stop. Like, I'm gonna try to stop it as fast as I possibly can. The third setting, pedal assist. Not fully electric, but it definitely makes everything easy. Okay, I think my work here is done. Except one more thing. Heybike wanted me to mention this anniversary event that's coming up. So May 5th to May 20th, if you get one of these Heybikes, they're gonna throw in some anniversary edition box. The Heybike anniversary box. And I don't know what it is. If for whatever reason you already have one of these Heybikes, right now through May 18th, if you submit your best moment with your bike, they're gonna give you that anniversary box as well. And there's a couple other things going on with the anniversary. So I'm gonna put the link to Heybike and the link to their anniversary event as well down below in the video's description, which you can find over here somewhere. There should be like a little arrow. Just click on it and you'll see a bunch of words underneath the video. And that's it. I gotta go. So I'm gonna toodaloo-lee-loo my bums out of here. Toodaloo-lee-loo. Bye.